Dacia have made a surprise unveiling of the UK specification of the all-new Dacia Duster at SMC Weybridge as part of their Duster Roadshow. Seen here in high-spec journey trim, the car showcases many of the features that customers are looking forward to. The first notable change is the introduction of a hybrid powertrain. Like the Jogger, it features a 1.6 litre naturally aspirated petrol engine mated to an electric motor to give 140 horsepower, and that comes with an automatic gearbox. It will be efficient too, with a WLTP figure of 55 mpg on a combined cycle. Elsewhere in the range, there's also a 100 horsepower 1 litre bi-fuel petrol engine on the entry-level Essential model, and a 130 horsepower 1.2 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and that's available with 2 or 4-wheel drive. There will be no more diesel engines, however, due to the low demand for this technology. Other exterior features include 18-inch Tagasan alloy wheels, LED headlights with Y-shaped rear lights, the familiar modular roof bars from the likes of the Stepway and Jogger, and it also gives us a first chance to see the new sandstone paint finish. The inside sees the car feature a 10-inch Android Automotive infotainment display and features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is then mated to a 7-inch screen for the driver. The interior also features the denim upholstery on the seats with reflective Dacia logos and a dashboard colour that varies depending on the trim level you go for. The door cards also feature Y-shaped handles, and the interior features a number of U-clip fixtures to mount various Dacia accessories. Pricing for the Duster starts at a very competitive $18,745, with this Journey Hybrid priced at $26,595 as seen. Order books are open, with the first deliveries expected in November, although I have heard of some dealers quoting now beyond Christmas for delivery. But for the latest, most up-to-date information, your best bet is to check out dacia.co.uk or inquire with your local dealer. I shall do my best to get hold of one of these for review when they do land in dealers, so make sure you get subscribed and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when that video goes up, and also for all of the latest news, including the Dacia Bigster launch, which I shall be reporting on at the Paris Motor Show in a couple of weeks' time. Otherwise, why don't you let me know down in the comments what you think of this new Duster, and I'll see you on the next one.